Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to send money internationally with Wise. The first thing that you should do is to simply go to wise.com through your browser and click on open account. And you can also click on these three horizontal lines, then click on register. After that, it will ask you to first enter your email address, then click on next. And now you'll have to choose between personal account and business account. And now add your country, then you'll have to verify your phone number. Enter your phone number, then they will send you a verification code. After you paste in the verification code, they'll ask you to set up a password to your email. And now let's get into the process of sending money. When you open the app on your phone or login, you'll find this interface. You just have to click on send in the middle bottom side. And now you will have to choose if you want to send from your Wise balance that you have already or send from your bank account. So if you want to send from your bank account, click on the first option. So now you should set the amount of money that you want to send and choose the currency. When you click on any currency, it will show you here all the currencies that Wise has. Now once you set up the amount, here down below right here, it will show the amount of money that the recipient will get. You can also click on this option right here, fast and easy transfer fee, and here it will show you all the options that you can use in order to transfer. You have the low cost transfer, which will cost you this amount of money, in addition to advanced transfer, balance transfer, and fast and easy transfer. So choose what's suitable for you. I'll choose low cost transfer, and by choosing lower cost fee, you'll increase the amount of money that the recipient will get. You can now click on continue or click on this calendar icon in order to schedule the payment. You can choose the payment date and the repetition process if you want to repeat this payment process or not, and if not, choose never. After that, click on confirm, and now you will have to choose the recipient. So if you have recipients right here in the bottom, you can choose one of them or simply click on this plus sign in order to add a new recipient. You can also search for a specific recipient by using his name, email, or phone number. So now I'll click on add a new recipient. Then he should choose between myself, someone else, or a business or organization. Here in my case, I will choose someone else because I want to send this money to someone that I know. And now you will have to choose between outside Europe or inside Europe. If the recipient is inside Europe, you'll have to enter all these details, including the SWIFT code, full name of the account holder, and the IBAN. And be careful, it will show you this message. And this payment may be slower and the transfer may take a day or two or even longer. And even the recipient's bank might charge extra fees to the amount received. Here in my case, I'll choose inside Europe. And in this case, you'll just have to enter the full name of the account holder and the IBAN. And once you click on next here, it will show you the details of your payment. And down below here, you'll find how much money that you're going to pay and the fee and how much is the fees. And you can change any one of these details by clicking on the change buttons right here. And when you scroll down a little bit, here you will find this section, type a reference, but this is optional. You can type anything that you want to send in this payment. Let's say that you want to leave a small note that this is the salary for January, for example. You just have to type it right here. Once you're all done, click on confirm. And now you will have to choose which payment method that the recipient will receive his money with. So here you will have all the options. You have manual bank transfer, simple bank transfer, Apple Pay, debit or credit card. And be careful that each one of them has its own fees. So here in my case, I'll choose manual bank transfer, then click on I understand. And now you will have to choose between these two options. I'm gonna click on yes, I'm the account holder, then click on continue. And now Wise will share the bank details of the account that you need to send the money to. And just make sure when you transfer the money that you use the correct reference right here. So you will have to make sure of this number, and this is a very important step. Once you're all done, click on I made this transfer, and here it will show you this page. This page actually shows you the process of payment and in which section or stage of payment they are in. And if you want to cancel the transfer anytime, you can click on cancel transfer, and here when you click on details, it will show you more details about the payment. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.